Looking for the perfect button-down pattern? Love Notions has a new one, and we also have the tools to get you ready to sew it. This video has a little bit of information about our newest pattern as well as our newest on-demand course you can take alongside it. At Love Notions, we love giving you patterns that you love to sew, but we also want you to feel supported and motivated to get them sewn with confidence. And that's the intention behind our new Aria on-demand course. Are you curious what that course will look like and what you can expect to get from it? Keep watching for all the details. During the release week for Aria, you'll be able to bundle both the course and the pattern together for a special price.
Welcome to the Aria button-down course. When we were developing this pattern, we realized this would be a great class. In the past, we've done virtual classes over Zoom, and those work great, but the specific time commitments weren't always doable for everyone. With this course, it's available to you whenever you want to work on it. Watch it in chunks or binge it all at once, it's up to you. In this course, we will cover everything from downloading your pattern to using the different file formats, fabric and notions, choosing your size, common pattern adjustments, preparing your pieces, and of course, the actual sewing of the button down. This course is broken down into lessons and topics to make following along so simple and easy to understand. Each lesson and topic has a video, some more than one, and there are accompanying PDFs to go along to assist you. If you've never sewn a button down before, this is a great course for you since we'll be going step by step with in-depth videos to help you get a make you can be proud of. Let's get sewing.
If you want to be part of the Aria button-down sewing on-demand course, make sure that you check your emails from us. If you're not on the list, click the link in the description box.